When we first learned how to count in kindergarten, we learned how to, what are numbers? One, two, three, four, five. What's the next thing that we learned? How to add and subtract those numbers, right? So when it comes to complex numbers, we need to be able to add and subtract complex numbers. And this really isn't that bad. So you can see here we have two complex numbers in the form a plus bi. We need to add them. Well, if instead of this problem, you had the problem that looked like -4 plus 3x plus 1 minus 8x, what would you do? Well, you'd say it's addition, so I don't need the parentheses, and then I would collect like terms, correct? Y'all, adding and subtracting with imaginary numbers is exactly the same. All we need to do is collect like terms. So think of this as -4 plus 3i plus 1 minus 8i. We're going to put the like terms together and then add their coefficients. So this will be -3 minus 5i when we add these two complex numbers together. For subtraction, what do I have to do when I see a minus sign in front of parentheses? Does that mean just subtract the 4? No, remember we're subtracting the whole number, so I need to distribute the negative. That's the number one mistake that we will get on the exam. And if they're going to give you an addition problem or a subtraction problem, it's going to be subtraction because they're going to want to catch you on that little mistake, right? Okay, so now that we have distributed the negative, we go back to the same thing we did before and we'll collect those like terms. 9 minus 4 is 5. -2i plus 6i is 4i, and we have subtracted the two complex numbers.